So here is little tutorial how I do my simple outfits mods. I'll show it on already finished mod that I made a while ago, so it would be quicker. So if you already created new project, remember to set it to active. So when we open character editor, it would be linked to right project. It takes a while to open it. So now we need to click play to open actual editor. We need to wait a while for it to load. I'll go back to my mod project. So in Character Creator, we have few options that we always need to check. First one is Editor Mode. We need to pick one of options, in this case, Gear option. Second one is Type. We are picking Player. Third one is Gender, Male or Female. There are other options. I mostly leave them be, but I like to pick Studio in Scene category for basic outfit editing, so light would be constant. Now we go to Gear Editing on the right. You can pick what kind of gear would you like to make. In this case, it's Outfit section. Here is a list of what I already created, so to add new one, you need to click this upper button with plus. Pick the name wisely. Just kidding, you can name it as you like. Then click OK. It will appear in gear, so next thing you are doing is actual editing of outfit. By clicking this small icon next to upper section, you open Regions Editing. Always remember to save edited outfit here. So when you're done editing it, I always close editor. So now you need to add gear icons. I already made and named them. You add them to app by dragging them to UE. They should be PNG file with size 256 by 256. They should be renamed. Start with UI_T_, then their name. Now you need to change the options like I showed on video and click Save. Next step is to create this file. Click right mouse button, then Miscellaneous and Data Table. Then write down icon info and pick it. File is made. Now you need to rename it, starting with DT_, then the name. Open it. So now we need to add our additional contents, the icon, and link it to right gear data. Delete DA_. To add icon to this, you can drag it into the file like that. When you have everything set, remember to click Save. I'll delete it because I already have this file. Next step is to create blueprint for your mod. Again, click right mouse button, then pick blueprint and then look up for mod mutator. I already have this file right here. Name it starting with BP_. Open it. As you see, I have everything set up here. But when you open it for first time, it looks like this. You need to click plus to add new element. Then set additional data. Out DT icons file. Now you need to look out for this folder where it will be added, in this case DT icons. then click Save. So now last steps for adding the gear to vendor plus writing the description. We need to click Window, then look up for DB text entry, and then pick Static. When it opens up, look for containers. There are 3 that we'll be using. Virtual container list first. We need to add our gear item by writing item underscore, and then the name of gear we created. I'll delete it because it was already added. Let me look for it. Oh, here it is. Item underscore adventure. We need to set it as single item, then click plus. Second one is loot container contents. We will be adding our gear to vendor, in this case to Augustus. Here pick item we created earlier. And click plus. Third one is virtual container. Pick out item and then look up for item name underscore common. And click plus. Next step is naming out gear items, so when we open gear menu in game, they are named. Click Window and look up for localization text editor. As you see, there is list of outfits I already named. So if you want to make it, you need to write outfit name underscore common in ID window. Then in localization, write out gear name. In this case, it was adventure outfit. Next step is adding description. You write gear name underscore common underscore desky, and then write what you like in localization. Oh, and remember to click apply changes, and in earlier step too. So everything is set. Now you can upload your mod. Thanks for watching. Little bonus. Because this video was made more than a year ago, there is also another way to add gear into your mod, so it would appear straight in gear. So to do it, click Window, then DB text entry, static. Now look up for lock definition. Open it. Now you need to look up for your outfit. In my case, it's adventure underscore common. It needs to say unlocked. When you create outfit in mod, it always is set to locked. That way it won't appear in gear. I changed it while back, so it's set this way. Now we can check the other outfits. Window, DB text entry, static, lock definition. As you can see, they are set to unlocked as well. So that's it. After setting unlock, they will appear straight in gear. Thanks for watching.